Welcome back to Auto Insights, and in today's video we'll be speaking about classification of engines. So how can engines be classified? Engine can be classified based on a number of characteristics that make them different from one another. Engines are classified based on the number of cylinders, the orientation of the cylinders, amount of stroke, amount of horsepower provided by the engine, type of fuel used, whether it's a reciprocating or rotary engine, or the type of valve arrangements. An engine may have 1 upwards to 8 cylinders depending on the type of application that the engine is meant for. Orientation of the engines. The orientation of the engines deal with how the cylinders are arranged and the general shape of the engine block. So you have the V block. In this V block type of engine, you have V6, V8 and V12 engines. For the type of stroke, you have 2 types of stroke. You have the 2-stroke engine and the 4-stroke engine. Engine may be classified also based on the type of fuel used, whether it is diesel or gasoline. The engine may also be classified based on the amount of power that it produces, which is in terms of horsepower. So a motor may be rated as producing 500 horsepower, which is equivalent of having 500 horses pulling the one vehicle. May be also be classified based on the type of cam organization, whether it's a single overhead cam or double overhead cam. Also be classified based on whether it's a reciprocating or rotary. A reciprocating engine, pistons move up and down, while in a rotary engine they move in a circular fashion.